Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm not cooking. My beautiful child is. We go ahead with some roster pasta, some type of Cajun pasta. So we got the peppers, the red peppers, the orange peppers, the yellow peppers, onions right there. We got some chicken breast, some shrimp, seasonings, crushed red peppers. We're going to add some steamed broccoli on the side. We're going to be using this. Alright. This. We got my tomatoes for the salad. We'll have a little spring mix. Fettuccine. And some garlic bread baguettes. These joints got to be torched. Happy Thursday, you all. This is our dinner in preparation. Getting it started. Cut some jalapenos up, bro.
For what?
Go ahead. Cut some up. Put some in there.
I'm going to just put crushed up pepper.
So go ahead and put some in there.
Mm-mm.
Let me wash my hands and cut some.
That's fine.